Say, tell them this is something that what? We
made with Uncle Ray.
Oh yeah?
Open them.
Open my eyes? What is it?
It's a ball top.
Oh, look at this! That is cool.
And maybe if a mama have chicks, she will put a worm on here, and maybe she will stick her head in here, and then maybe she will feed it.
Maybe. That'd be cool. Should we hang it up on a tree? Yeah?
We need to paint it.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. It's cool, guys.
I need to paint it green.
Green?
Yeah.
Are they going to be able to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you help make it?
I used the drill and I locked it tight.
Oh, yeah?
Screws tight. We
Wow.
need some
This is
more
heavy duty.
screws. Mom did. We
Where do we need some more?
We brought more screws because see a hose.
Oh, yeah, there. We can do that. I like it,
And
guys.
we need to drill them in.
Oh, yeah. We'll find a nice big tree to put them on.
Which one? What do you think? You see any over there we could put it on? That one? All right. What do you think, Ella?